up, and I know you got some music coming out, and I think the whole world, especially athletes, can't wait for you to do what you've been gifted to do.
Thank you. Of course, I have a bunch of projects coming out. I have new groups coming out. We got a new sports thing going on right now. We helping some artists out. We helping some athletes out. Man, I mean, I have a lot of things coming out. I don't like to give them titles and names of anything because we don't know what we're gonna drop first. We'd be too excited because I give my managers a handful of things to do and to put out, and it's just up to them to sort out like a playlist. It's up to them to sort out. I'm sorry, like a playbook. It's just up to them to sort out what plays go first and what should we do in the first quarter, what should we do in the second quarter. If we get in a tight situation, what should we do? And you already know I got my key players, I got my Nickies, I got my Drizzy, so we're gonna be all right.
The Wayne, it's Chris Rose, and
As a matter of fact, I got my Nicki right here.
all right, so obviously